Hi, my name's Tabitha. I'm going to talk about progressive muscle relaxation as my technique and demonstrate how to do it. Um, I am getting over COVID. I had it last week, so my deep breaths in are not going to sound very good. This technique is also typically done when you're laying down. I'm not going to lay down just because I don't know if I can get my whole body in the screen, but I will explain everything as we go on. So, PMR is used to put your body into a relaxation phase, basically activating your parasympathetic nervous system by um, connecting breathing and muscle relaxation. It can be used to treat panic attacks, anxiety. I read that it can help with high blood pressure, it can help with stress, and then a lot of people also use it every night before they go to bed, as so they sleep better if their body's in that full relaxation mode before they fall asleep. So the first step would be taking a couple deep breaths in and out. The point of it is to, when you're breathing in, you tense whatever muscle, and then when you're breathing out, you're relaxing that muscle. I also read that it can help with headaches. So if you focus on the part of your head that's hurting while you're tensing and relaxing, it can help alleviate some pain of the headache depending on where it's at. So to start, you just take a few deep breaths in, hold it, and then exhaling and trying to relax as you start the whole process. So, I did read that different processes, you can either start from your head or you can start at your toes. I'm going to start at my head just because it's easier to see in the video. So, the first step after taking in your few deep breaths and letting them out, if we're going to start with the forehead. So, you raise your eyebrows as high as you can, hold it and focus on like your tense forehead and then exhale. So I said my breathing's not very good. I'm very, very congested. So I hope that doesn't count. Then you're going to close your eyes tightly, wrinkle your nose, and then let it out. And I do have a headache, so hopefully this helps a little bit. Then next you're gonna force yourself into a smile and you're gonna clench your teeth really tight. And then let it out. I know I look goofy doing this. Um, so then the next one, you're going to tense your neck and your shoulders by shrugging them exaggeratedly, so trying to touch your ears with your shoulders. And then breathing out. That actually felt good. Next step, you're going to take your arms and your hands. So you're going to put your palms together and push them. So it's your arms, your forearms, and your shoulders should all feel it. And then letting them relax as you let your breath out. Moving down. So you're going to focus on your breathing and your abdomen. So you're going to take a deep breath in and you're basically sucking your belly button into your spine, is the way that they explained it. And then just let that out. So then next, moving down. Like I said, typically you would be laying down. I'm sitting up, but I'm going to try and do it. So you're going to tighten your buttocks, your hips, and your legs, and you're going to squeeze them together. And like I said, you're focusing on each part of these muscles when you're breathing in, tensing up, and then letting out. So all of these muscles moving down should all be going into a relaxation mode. I'm not so relaxed doing a video, but I think if I wasn't doing it, then I would be okay. So next, then you're gonna curl your toes as hard as you can. Breathe in, hold it, and then let go. And while you're releasing your breath, you're letting go your toes as well. So, and then you would take a few more deep breaths, like I said, while you're laying down. I read that even in some cases, when people do this before they're trying to go to bed, sometimes they fall asleep before they even make it from their head to their toes. But the point is that your whole body should be relaxed. That connection between relaxing your muscles and breathing should all be done together. Um, and then your body should go into that, relaxation phase and pain should be gone. You should feel totally relaxed. And this is to help most, my biggest opinion would be to help relieve stress as you're just kind of letting everything go. I hope this helps you guys. Thank you for watching.